In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a table of content in Google Docs. So the first thing that we'll need to do is we can open up a blank document to start creating the table of contents. Now, all we need to do now is go over to the Insert tab on the top left over here, click on it, and scroll down and you will see a table of contents right here. So you can choose either a plain text, dotted, or links. So let's just do plain text. So click on plain text, and as you can see, if you add headings, they will appear in your table contents on the left side right here. So for example, let's add in heading 1 as an example. So if we write heading 1 and click on enter, it will show up on the left side right here. So let's add another heading. For example, we have heading 2, and let's just highlight that text and change the format of the paragraph over here on the normal text and click on um, heading 2. Now, as you can see, it is added to our table of contents. If you click on heading 1, it will take you to heading 1, and you click on heading 2, it will take you to heading 2. Now, you can just add anything that you want right here, from heading 3 to normal text to subtitle and to title. And that's about it. That's how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.